Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations. Today is the giveaway. This is what the packet looks like. I'm going to show you what the fabric looks like. And I'm going to put this little thing in there too. I'm going to give that away with it, just so you know. And let me show it to you here on the table. All right, so the shout out is to Rosemary. Everybody let Rosemary know how much we love her for taking care of the Facebook group for Fort Worth Fabric Studios. She's what keeps it going. She's the moderator for it, and she lets us know all kinds of information, and she's great. And I just want to shout out to her and thank her very much. She keeps it going. She helps with the name change. I do believe we change it every time we have a new sew along. I guess I should be telling you this one's called Simply Spring. Okay, that's the name of this one. And it's going to be can be a wall hanging. Let's see, it's 38 by 38. I thought it was written on that paper, but I guess not. But it's 38 by 38. You can use it for table topper or anything, but it'll be done so that you can use it all summer long, all spring, summer, into the fall. If you don't buy a kit, you can use your own fabric. Fort Worth Fabric Studios will have the pattern up, and it comes out on Mondays, the pieces to cut. It's free. It does not cost you anything. You don't have to join anything in order to participate. And if you want to sew it on your own, you can, but if you want to follow along, there's a bunch of us on YouTube that are doing videos. And they still got some if you want to order them. I'm going to go ahead and put this up. I'm going to give it 2 days, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to get this up by Tuesday so that I can go ahead and give a shout out to the winner on let's see, Friday, and then I can actually get it in the mail Friday so you can get it in order to go and sew along with us. Otherwise, it's going to be delayed an entire week. Okay? Thank you, everybody, for watching. Now, you need to say, I want the kit. Don't just make a comment. I want you to say that you want this kit. That's how you're going to get entered in it. That's all you got to do. You don't have to go into any other channels, my Facebook page, or anything like that. Just do it right here on this YouTube video. Okay? Thanks, everybody, for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.